Hey guys, we're doing the random now for Upper Deck Supreme Hardcourt Box 2. Random is live. It's 8:05:13 PM Melbourne time. Do the participants first. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. There's the first list and the player list who you will end up with. Going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Random is complete, and the list is Adam Bartley, Dirk, Daniel with Kevin Love, James Cannon, LeBron, Ian Nan, Zach Levine, Nathan Alott, Michael Jordan, Matus, Wiggins, Andrew Koch, Jamal Murray, Nick Watson, DeMarcus Cousins, Ian Nan, Penny Hardaway, Matus with Elgin Baylor, Nathan Alott, Vince Carter, Andrew with Julius Erving, Matus, Clyde Drexler, Bartley, Larry Bird, Daniel, Major Johnson, Albie, Dennis Rodman, Ian, George Gervin, Laker, Porzingis, Daniel with Iverson, Alonzo, and Thon McCurr, Brett Eo, Jerry West, Aiden James, Ben Simmons, Albie, Markel Fultz, Josh Laker, Hakeem, Daniel, Steph Curry, and Matus, Cat. So I'll get that. Put that there. It's time.